3rd of April, 2023. Zero waste. Cosmetic brands take the plunge into powder formats. Already beloved by DIY enthusiasts and promoted by many indie brands, the powder format is now also being used in more classic products, in everything from cleansers to scrubs and deodorants. Unlike traditional beauty products, powder cosmetics contain zero water. So, it's up to the consumer to add the required amount of water. The environmental-friendly solution appears as an ideal alternative to appeal those who do not like the texture of solid cosmetics. A growing number of brands in